there. You see our car over there somewhere?
Yeah.
Man's over there somewhere.
This is downtown Minneapolis.
Yeah, look at that. You see everything down there.
I got Hmong. Oh. Downtown St.
Look at all
Paul.
those people over there.
You guys see the U.S. Bank Stadium?
Yep.
Straight ahead over there. No, that's not. No, that's the soccer field.
Yeah, they're just
Over there.
It's so cool.
U of M.
That's why I'm like, hey, this is it's still going up, right? Going up.
It stays over here for a little bit. Whoa, there we go. Lee Rose Warren Coliseum. So much from the bird's eye view. It's not that big, but it is big down there though.
Actually, you like the case?
Yes.
That's why I like doing that. It's like
And two professional lumberjills. We're going to compete here head to head in several different events. But before we get started, I'd like to give you just a little bit of background on how this all began. Now, back in the mid to late 1800s, America was rapidly expanding westward, and the timber barons of the east began to look to the Great Lakes states of Michigan, Minnesota, and our home state of Wisconsin and the huge white pine stands there. So in the fall of the year, the timber barons would send the lumberjacks up the old fur trader routes where they'd make camp for the winter. They'd cut and saw the logs into manageable lengths, and then using horse and oxen, they'd drag those logs to the banks of the river, stack them, and wait for the spring thaw. In the spring of the year, then, when the ice and snow melted, they'd roll those today, and it simply goes, yo-ho. Not bad, but I need everybody. On the count of three, your biggest, your loudest, your rowdiest lumberjack yo-ho. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That sounds great. Let's meet your lumberjacks and lumberjills. Camp number 9, your lumberjack comes to you from the Wisconsin Dells. He's been competing professionally now for over 7 years. He is an excellent chopper and sawyer. He's a great speed climber. He's your lumberjack today. Camp 9, Chet Isaacson. Camp 13. I actually saw a few of you clapping for Camp number 9's lumberjack. That is not how it works here. Camp 13, what do we think of Camp 9? Very good. Camp 9, what do we think of Camp 13? All right, Camp 13, your lumberjack comes to you from Hayward, Wisconsin. He began the sport of log rolling at the age of 5 and has picked up all the other disciplines since then. He too is an excellent chopper and sawyer. He's a great axe thrower. He is your lumberjack today, Camp 13, Nick Hasted. Camp 9, your lumberjill comes to you from Hayward as well. She is both a women's professional boom runner and a women's professional log roller. She's also a great axe thrower. She is your lumberjill today, Camp 9, Sarah Hadley. And Camp 13, your lumberjill is a world champion log roller, a world champion boom runner. She also competes in the Jack and Jill song. She's your lumberjill today, Camp 13, Meredith Ingbritton. We are going to get things started up here on the deck. Our first event is going to be Jack and Jill sawing. Now, the rules in this one are simple. First complete disc to hit the deck will be the winner here today. This tool was also known as the misery whip because of the pain that it caused in pulling it in the woods all day long, but a good pair of crosscut sawyers could do the work of a dozen axemen. Looks like all our competitors are ready. All right, Camp 9, here is your first chance to cheer them on. Do you think it's going to be Chet and Sarah winning this one for you? Camp 13, who is cheering for Nick and Meredith? Let's see who it's going to be. Sawyer's ready. 1, 2, go. Cheer them on, folks. They can hear your first complete disc hit the deck. Will be the winner here today. There it is. Camp number 13 winning that first event here today.
That's a smaller log.
All right. Well, we've got kind of a unique way of keeping score here at Timberworks. So I don't get confused throughout this competition, we are going to use these cute little chainsaw car bears as points. Camp 13, there it is. You can cheer them on. You can boo and heckle the other guy. All right. We are all warmed up. Here we go, Camp 13. Nick's first throw for you here today. There it is. Bullseye right off the bat, Camp 13. Here comes Sarah, camp number 9. What's it going to be for Sarah? Hanging on for a 1. All right, Camp 13. Here comes Meredith, her first throw. You've got 5 points so far, Camp 13. Meredith has a 1 also. All right, that takes you to 6. Here comes Chet, camp number 9. Chet's looking for a bullseye. He has a 3. That takes you guys to 4 points. All right, Camp 13. Here comes Nick. His second throw. Nick's got a 3. That takes you guys to 9 points. Here comes Sarah. Camp 9. You've got 4 points. Sarah's got a 3. That takes you guys to 7. All right. Here comes Meredith, Camp 13. Her second throw. Meredith's got a 3. That takes you guys to 12 points here this afternoon. Here comes Chet, camp number 9. He can hear you over there. He's got a 3. That takes you guys to 10. All right. We are 10 to 12. Camp 13 with a 2-point lead. It is Nick's final throw here, Camp 13. 17 points for Camp 13. Here comes Sarah, Camp 9. Oh. There is no point.
Gary!
All right, here comes Meredith. You've got 17 points.
Oh!
You
My
still
goodness.
have 17 points. Chester, you're in
She hit it on
trouble.
the
You
ground.
need 7. And the best you can do is 5. What do you think? Can he at least get you a bullseye there, Camp 9? He does not. Camp 13 winning the springboard for you here today. Camp 9, who is looking for Chet to win the springboard? Well, let's see who it's going to be. Choppers ready. 1, 2, go. That's right. Make some noise for these guys up here, folks. Both of these guys, a couple of excellent choppers. You are going to watch them put a nice deep V on the front side of this log. You can also see them following a pattern as they chop. They're going to do most of their work on this strong side. Good way to tell who's ahead in this one is by whoever turns first. All right, Camp 13, Nick's around in the back. Camp 9 as well. Camp 13 is cheering for Nick out there. Camp 9 is cheering for Chet. Whoa, Camp 9. Flying through that block there. All right, Camp 13, keep Nick going. It's starting to wiggle. There it is. But Camp 9 and Chet winning the springboard here today. And picking up your first point. Well, we've been doing a lot of traditional gear on Save Yourself a Lifetime of Problems. Now, the saws the guys are running here today have been modified specifically for this event. The muffler has been removed and expansion chamber's been added. That releases the back pressure on this saw. It allows them to run much faster. They're going to fly through the wood here today. The guys are going to make 3 cuts. 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. First 3 complete discs to hit the deck will be the winner. I'm going to let them warm these up. They're loud. You may want to cover your ears. All right, we're all warmed up. We're gonna start with the saw on the deck. Their hands on the log. On go grab that saw. Started make their 3 cuts. Camp 13, who's cheering for Nick to win the hot saw today? Camp 9, who's looking for Chet to tie it up in the hot saw? Ready, 1, 2, go.
I didn't see him over.
There hot saw tying it up here today. Well, geez, Nick, you can't win them all.
That's all right, my side. Don't worry about that event. Tell you folks what, though, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to guarantee victory in this next one. Yo ho.